Hello viewers, I'm Swaminathan. So I'm here to explain uh, about what is Rashi Mandala. So there are many astrologers who are taking classes and who are trying to explain about Rashis and how to take, in, how to study your horoscope and all. But I'm here with a perspective of my own. So and what the Rishis and Munis have actually used in order to explain these concepts and everything. Okay, this is my view, and I'm trying to explain as much as I can out of my own context and how I perceive it. So initially, we know that we take from Aries. So Aries is the first Rashi which we are taking. But before going to that, so we need to know what is a Rashi or Rashi Mandala. So if we take Earth, Earth is actually spherical. You know that, right? So Earth is spherical, and when we see towards the east direction, and it is rotating eastward, so that's why sun rises on the east and sets on the west. So it is rotating eastwards. So while we stand here and look towards the east, we see that the horizon where the sun, or sorry, the sky and the earth meets, sky and and water or earth meets. That means sky and the earth meets at one point, and this is a peculiar point. This is known as Lagna. We'll come to that. Uh, but when we see that, we see another thing. Like if we see sun is rising, so as the time goes, sun seems to rise. But actually, what happens is Earth is rotating eastwards, and the sun is placed at one particular point, which is actually going upwards. So we see that it's not sun rising, but Earth moving forward or Earth moving towards that particular direction, which is east. Okay, so let us know that concept. So our rishis have actually made a point that sun is actually fixed, but earth is rotating, so they know this concept. That's why they have created something called the Rashi Mandala. And in this Rashi Mandala, how they have perceived it is that we know that every circle has 360 degrees. So if we draw a point, and from that point you connect a circle, and wherever you are trying to connect from the middle, you are trying to measure the total degrees which is there. There is 360 degrees, so it's a 360 degrees means it's a circle, and this 360 degrees they are splitting into 30 degrees each. So 12, they are splitting into 12 equal parts. It's 30 degrees each. So in this 30 degrees, they know that this is imaginary. It is not like it's fixed somewhere. We see Rashis in the cosmos. No, it is imaginary line, imaginary limit or something. So which they perceive as Rashi. Okay, but how they are denoting is it as particular Rashi. So we can know that it is a particular Rashi. It is an imaginary line, but how they are sure, or how they are making a point that it is a particular thing which is not changing and it is a Rashi and so on. So how they are doing it is there is a particular thing called nakshatra or constellations. So they see that Earth is rotating, but these constellations supposed to be seen at a particular point at a particular day in that particular place, no matter what. So they know that the constellations are not changing their places, but Earth is rotating, and actually it is revolving around the sun. So this is the particular thing which they know for a fact that in a Rashi Mandala, the constellations does not move, but Earth is rotating. As the Earth rotates, we perceive things as moving from east to west. So from this east to west movement, They are creating a particular imaginary line in order for them to control, in order for them to see or study. Okay, we can say this is known as a Rashi. In this Rashi, they are having a several other factors which we will study in the later stages. Thank you very much. Please do subscribe and like. I will post another video regarding what a Rashi is, how it is named, how it is taken. Aries is taken as the first Rashi, and so on. Thank you very much.